Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how your photos magically remember the exact location where they were taken? It's like having a personal memory lane right in the palm of your hands. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of geotagging and GPS technology to uncover the secrets behind this incredible feature. Imagine this. You're on a breathtaking hike, capturing the beauty of nature with your smartphone. You snap a stunning photo, and when you look back at it later, you notice it not only remembers the moment, but also the precise location. So how does your device manage to pull off this seemingly magical feat? Meet geotagging, the hidden hero behind your photo's location superpowers. Geotagging is the process of adding geographical information, like latitude and longitude coordinates, to your photos. And guess what? Most smartphones today come equipped with GPS technology that makes this possible. Photos are memories we carry on in life. Let's say you're strolling through an enchanting city. Your smartphone's GPS is constantly working in the background, silently tracking your every move. When you take a photo, the GPS coordinates of that exact spot get embedded into the image file. It's like your photo is leaving a digital breadcrumb trail of its own. Now you might be thinking, why does my photo need this location stamp? Well, the benefits are more than meets the eye. Geotagging isn't just about showing off your globe-trotting adventures. It helps you organize your memories in a visually captivating way. Picture this. You can create a map of your travels, reliving each moment with a simple tap on your device. You can also share your photos with friends and family, giving them a virtual tour of your experiences. It adds a whole new dimension to storytelling, doesn't it? Now, you might be concerned about privacy, and that's a valid point. Most smartphones give you the option to control when and how your location is tagged. You can adjust privacy settings at your convenience. If you're feeling a bit camera shy, you can easily disable geotagging in your phone's settings. It's all about finding the balance between sharing your adventures and protecting your privacy. So the next time you marvel at a photo's ability to remember its roots, remember that it's all thanks to geotagging and the incredible technology embedded in your smartphone. Your memories are no longer confined to the pixels on your screen. They now have a passport of their own, telling stories of the places you've been. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating tech insights. Until next time, happy exploring, and may your photos always know where they were taken.